Robo Challenge 2013.
From Derby,
Here
the
we
current
go.
defending UK champion, NST.
That's it, give him a round of applause. He is the reigning champion in the semi-final.
From Team Invade, the number 2 seed, Explosion.
Round of applause for Explosion, please, come on.
Roboteers, get ready. 3, 2,
The semi-final begins. NST's taking no chances. Explosion is trying to get himself into a position of control, basically finding the weak spot of NST, which is behind the robot. A little bit has come off the side of Explosion, but nothing major. NST's taking a hit. Oh my goodness, he's upside down now. NST's upside down. Can he right himself? But the pit is open. Who's going to go in the pit? The first person to go in the pit will... No! NST is in the pit. You have 10 seconds to comply. If you can't right yourself or get yourself out, you will be out. NST is eliminated.
2, 1, ceasefire.
Winner of the quarter-final. Well done to Explosion.